So hey guys, welcome to my channel, Horse Stuff with Jeff. I was working on a feeder like this here one. I bought this one a long time ago. And as you can see, these are the weak spots here. They're all busted out and whatever. And what I was going to do is I was going to build another one of these and sell it. Then as it turned out, it wasn't really going to be worth it. I don't know. But anyway, so I'll show you what I got going on here. So anyway, had a bit of a change of plans here. I was going to build this like the one outside, but I'm almost 3 pipes into this. Boy, that pipe looks crooked. It's just a camera. But so does this one. Anyway, they are straight or plumb. Let's see. But anyway, yeah, so I'm almost 3 pipes into it, and they're 30-foot pipes or something like that. And the dude inside here was going to take a sheet and a half of 14 gauge at $158 a sheet. So now I'm getting to where I am the cost is getting too high. I'm not going to make any money like selling it. So I'm going to keep this. I'm going to use it for my horses because I have a feeder out with my horses that I hate. So I'm going to sell that one and keep this one for my horses. It'll be like a tombstone. This will be where they come in. And then these here are dust caps for wheels. I couldn't find anything else to go on here, so I'll just tack it on and then clean this up. That way if they're reaching over, they can't get hurt. But I've got a bit of a flu, so I'm just gonna go feed the other horses there now, and hopefully tomorrow I can get back on this and get it done. I don't have a whole lot left to do. Got another few pipes to put in, and then down here, I'm not gonna fill that right in. I'm just gonna put a little bit of sucker rod in there. Call it good. But anyway, so that's where I'm at. So this is the one I got done. I'm going to take it out, throw a bale in there, and see how it works. I just put the sucker rod down there like I was saying, and threw some paint on it. It's nice and dry. The only downside to this one is to pick it up and set it over the bale with my skid steer. If I had a tractor, I could, because I got far enough reach. So this one here, to move it, I have to just put my forks underneath of it and drag it, and which is fine. It's every time I put a bale in, I usually move it a little ways, so I don't get too much crap built up. But I'll get her put out there and we'll see how it looks. Reason I put this feeder here, probably yelling because I have earplugs in, but so it's close to the driveway and out here, so we can see if the horses can reach into it. You can't dump it in, and then I'll go get that other one up here. I don't like that one at all. I'm going to sell it. Piece of crap. Unless you want to buy it. Without having that full plate on the bottom, I didn't know if I'd lose more hay. There always seems to be hay spread out all over these things anyway, so I just figured, whatever. This is the cheapest way to do it. So I think that'll be great. Anyway, I'm gonna go pick up this other one.